Guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a computer build. Now I'm actually doing this for a friend, so I thought I'd just film it and basically show you guys how it goes. So we'll start with the list of things or parts that we're putting in. So the first part I'm going to show you is the motherboard. We've got a Gigabyte H270 HD3, and this is made to support the Skylake CPU. So we've got an i5 7500 in there. And then in terms of RAM, we've got an 8GB set of Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4 memory, and both these sticks are running at 2133 megahertz. So we got that. Then in terms of the graphics card, we've got a Sapphire RX 470. This is the Nitro edition, so further away from the stock RX 470. This will be a fair bit better in terms of performance. So that's the graphics card that's going to be powering the build today. And as you can see, it's got a very nice looking backplate, very nice metal finish and good colours. So this should go with the overall black theme of the actual computer build. Then in terms of power supply, we've got a Corsair CX 600. This is the non-modular version, but this should be plenty enough for all the different things. This will be plenty enough to power everything in the computer, because these are pretty decent units, the Corsair CX range. And then in terms of CPU cooler, we've got a Noctua NHD14, which as you can see is absolutely huge. So that's going to be keeping our i5 7500 nice and cool under load. And then in terms of our case, we've got a Corsair Carbide Spec Alpha. As you can see, this is the black and red version, so that's where all of our computer parts are going to be going in. And again, this is sticking along with the black theme that we're going for with this build. So now that we've seen all the parts, let's get right in and start assembling this computer.